Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Press the Windows key, type Windows Security, and press Enter to open the app. You can also open Windows Security via Start, Settings, Privacy and Security, Windows Security. Another quick access method is the system tray. Click the up arrow and then the shield icon. Opening Windows Security this way brings you straight to the app dashboard. The dashboard lists core sections like virus and threat protection and account protection. Keep the app open to follow the next steps for scanning and settings. Open virus and threat protection to run a scan or use advanced tools. Click Scan options to choose Quick Scan or Full Scan as needed. Use Quick Scan for fast checks and Full Scan for a deeper inspection of all files. Select Full Scan, then click Scan Now to begin scanning your system. You can also run offline scan for stubborn threats that resist normal scanning. Watch progress on the screen and follow on-screen guidance if threats are detected. Open virus and threat protection settings to manage core protections and updates. Turn on real-time protection to block threats as they try to run on your device. Also enable cloud-delivered protection and automatic sample submission for faster detection and response. Scroll to virus and threat protection updates and click Check for updates to refresh definitions immediately. Review controlled folder access if you need ransomware protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.